What's up guys, TK here at S1 Build. Today we have Tony's Supra in. We're gonna do some little TLC to it, but I just want to take a time out to ask you guys, please subscribe to our channel, help us out. I know most of you guys, like 70% or 80% of you guys that watch the channel haven't subscribed or hit the notification button, but help us out, give us a subscribe. Thank you, a like. Alright guys, today we are working on Tony's Supra, rock and drive. Making his pipes, currently getting it set up. It's gonna be a nice little bill for him to, like, you know, go around town, do his thing. Got some CCWs on. It's pretty much, that's perfect, see?
Yep, that's it right there.
I'll mark it.
Mark this.
Just this?
Yeah. That's good. No, don't put it anymore. Okay, if you want to. Yeah, we got it just for Tony.
See that, Tony?
TR, yeah.
Got a machine just for you.
So we got this thing done, welded onto here for the elbow, and then we're putting a V-band here for it. On this one here, jig welded the inside of it. So now we're gonna continue downward this way. Because I think we're gonna put a catch can here, so we're gonna go this way.
Oh, I wanted to build it. This one.
Yeah. We're gonna make them custom.
Nice.
So he's welding this piece here to go down here, and then we're gonna put a.
It's just, I got another clip.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put a V-band on here also. So.
Okay. And a V-band on this one or not this one?
Yep, that one too.
Okay, cool.
V-band everything.
Ooh, look at that, folks.
Bling bling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Straight?
Yeah.
Perfect. Getting the bead clamps on this thing. These bad boys welding on.
Tony, check this out. What do you think?
Is it ship out?
Yeah, this ship out or this one? This one.
Got him.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Hey, just cut this thing off right here.
I don't know where.
Straight?
Yeah, just right there.
I don't want it to.
Alright, sweep it up the trash.
I can't stand them. I don't know. Why I deal with them? Why I put up with them?
I'm trying to be nice, dude.
That's all you
She
gotta
wants
do.
spring rolls with fish sauce.
And no, something she said.
Yeah, Nick Mama, and she wants avocado, fresh avocado from California. That grew mid-July. No seeds.
An avocado? Avocado, no seeds? What the?
Exactly, some hybrid shit.
How you know
GMO.
he's lying?
And blended with, you know, Brazilian ice or some shit like that.
Yeah, Brazilian ice in a Vietnamese shop.
You eat Chinese food in Vietnamese shop, why don't you say shit?
Why don't you get out of here?
All right, bye.
Put a pie cut right here.
And then you turn it right
And you turn here like this. Yep, that's exactly how we're gonna do it. There you go. We'll come this way like this, downward. Hey, right here. See it? All right, now we're getting it. Mark it. Yeah. Let's see what this is going. Yep.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Okay, you can take that, and you. Okay. You want it like this, or you want it more
Straight like that,
straight
yeah.
like this again?
Because if you do it this way, it'd be too close to make a 90.
Yes, sir.
Well, 90 down, I guess.
Yeah, down. Should we put a bun on there first and a 90 so we know how?
No, we could go.
It'll clear, it'll clear.
Yeah, look, you see right there. Right there. That definitely would clear. So just measure from here to here.
Okay.
And just give it about 3-inch.
Because I might not use this either. Because if this doesn't clear my fan,
Yeah.
I'm running electric fan anyway.
I think it looks better anyway.
Huh?
I think it looks
I like
better.
this. I don't know. I like this old school look. I might still run this with electric fans. 3.
5. Yeah, just do it 5.
5 box, square box will fit clear?
Oh, we're gonna do enough. It won't be square. It's gonna come down like this, 5, in here, and then the curve like this.
Oh, okay, I got you.
We'll curve this. You see the curve? We'll go here, and we're gonna curve it like this.
Still 5.
Was that?
Right.
Yeah, still would be a 5. Yeah. So make a box here. You're gonna do kind of like a 5, and then like here won't be a 5. It'll just come out like maybe a 3, and then it's gonna come down this way to the 5, and then like this. Okay. So
We'll
make
just
a
do
box.
step then. Maybe use your cut one.
No,
Good to go, guys. What do you think? Looking nice, all clear. So both sides complete now.
he's welding the other piece.
Other piece of that
Yeah.
side.
That side.
This is the other piece right here that's getting welded on. Almost done. After this piece is done, we're gonna the whole thing is gonna be done, and then we just gotta
That's what I'm saying.
You use the vise and cut it?
Yeah.
put the breather box in, as they're showing you. S1 breather box.
But make sure.
Is that titanium?
Yeah.
You're gonna heat it up and all that stuff when you're done?
That's up to you.
Tony, you're gonna heat it up, right? Change colors, everything?
Do you have that marker so we can mark this?
Yeah. Can I get a marker? Tony.
Yeah.
That's that titanium.
Tony Montoya.
So everybody, we're here with Tony's car. TR Tony Baloney, how you doing, eh? This is pretty much the last piece.
Last piece, right?
Last piece of the puzzle. Gonna go in there, gonna go in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Huh, Tony? How you like that? You like that? Subtly. Fits pretty good. Put that little clamp on there.
The clamp's already up top of that one?
Yep.
Oh no, that's the one you're gonna have to actually clamp on.
Yes. This one clamp
Is
on.
this it? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys see these CCWs? Supra starter pack. Just getting that titanium. Looking super nice. After that, I think it's gonna heat it up, so it has, you know, titanium colors. And we're gonna be doing some etching. What are you gonna put on it, like TR Tony, or?
I'll just probably put his logo, just TR. That's what
TR.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all he wanted.
Okay, so what we did, we added from here, dump tube. So we got the dump tube here. We had to cut this because this actually was twisting this way, was hitting into it. So we cut it, re-walled it coming out this way. This part here, we added the V-band on here. We added this part. This part here, it was made already. We cut it from our
Another exhaust.
from Infinity that we made a while ago. So it worked out perfect, and we just had to do it here, wall it onto here.
That's it. And the bottom part here is
Bottom part here. We got this here, V-band there, V-band there.
oh, well,
Put a
by yours
V-band.
truly.
Yep. All that going straight up. This one here, we did it to one piece since it was short enough. We just did it just with the V-band.
That looks nice. Good firm.
Yep. So now we're finishing the last piece, the titanium right here. It's hot, huh?
Still hot.
Hot up. We got this on here, it's going to be here, and the filter's going to go right here because we want to keep this spot open, because this right here, I think what he's doing is he might put a tubing to come up this way to get the air into it. But so we left this spot here because we're actually going to put our catch can here. So it's going to go something like this. It's going to come out here to there, to the top, yeah. Boom, come down here. And then we're gonna make the bottom half of this. So, and the filter's gonna go right onto here.
Okay, cool.
Oh shit, I gotta tell him by which filter. Oh, he can buy it.
Yes. Oh, the can in.
Yeah, the can in. I don't have any.
Alright, cool.
That's it.
Alright guys, so you see the process? Not that long of a process, it's just, you know, the cutting and the welding, and
Yeah.
it takes a little time.
Yeah. No. But it came out good.
Came out. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. Alright guys, we don't use Supras every day, but everybody got a Supra.
Not everybody. I don't have one.
MyLynh got a Supra. Tony got a Supra. KK got a Supra. I mean, I got a Supra Coupe 400. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe. More all-wheel drive stuff coming at you.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Oh, hey, what's up there?
What's up?
No.
What's up from the crowd?
So we got it all done. We got the catch can done. He's gonna get the fitting for this up to here. He got to get the filter for it. Titanium pipes. It's all done. Ready to go back. So,
It's done, the guy. So
tag, it's your turn now, Tony. Finish it up.
All right, Tony. We want to see this thing start up for the new year. Start ripping it.
Yep.
So see, guys.
Our job is done.
Got it done. See, we got these for Hondas, Supras, and Skylines, right?
It's all finished, ready to go back to TR Tony. Tone Loc, aka. What's his AKA? Tony what?
Oh, Tony and Ryan.
Two-turn Tony. Two-turn Tony.
Two-turn
okay?
Tony. All right.
Two-turn Tony. Call me, but don't call me for no work, okay? Call me for lunch.
Taste your content, your breath, feel the tension.
Is that good tea on that?
Yeah, good, good. You can come more on this side if you want.
Okay.
Good.
Good?
Yeah. Good.
How's the front? You gotta get it pretty close.
Okay, come. When I hit the hood, you stop. Immediately stop. Go.